Today, Dr. Anthony Fauci said stay-at-home orders are needed to prevent hospitals from being overrun and should last long enough to ensure that everyone who needs life-saving care can get it. We spoke with Dr. Fauci as part of the Milken Institute's Future of Health Summit.
We have a baseline of infections that literally is breaking records every day, number of hospitalizations and numbers of deaths. The numbers are really stunning.
You said that Christmas could be even more of a challenge than Thanksgiving. How so?
When you look at Thanksgiving, that's a very brief period of time of travel and congregating. When you're talking about Christmas, you go through Christmas and Hanukkah, you go through the week between Christmas and New Year's, and then you have another celebration on New Year's. That extends that vulnerable period by 2 or 3 times what you do in Thanksgiving. That's the reason why the Christmas issue bothers me even more than Thanksgiving.
We're seeing students struggling with remote learning, more failing grades. Why isn't there some national plan about getting kids back in school?
The default position we should have is to bring the children back to school. It looks like now that the test positivity of children in school compared to the comparable community is really relatively low. So it seems now maybe counterintuitive that the safer place to be for the children would be in school.
Do you expect that the vaccine will be like a flu vaccine, meaning you'll have to get a new shot every year?
I'm not so sure it'll be every year, but I would be surprised if it gave lifelong immunity the way the measles vaccine does.
This is a question from Jan in Arizona who says, will people who have already had the virus be recommended to get the vaccine as well?
The answer is yes, because once you get infected with the virus, it isn't certain how long that protection would be.
What's your favorite part of the upcoming holiday season?
My birthday is Christmas Eve.
And how will your plans change for Christmas?
For the first time in more than 30 years, I'm not spending the Christmas holidays with my daughters.
That's how many families are feeling.